Hello guys, just a quick video on how to go straight ahead at roundabouts. So the route we're about to do, we've got 4 roundabouts. We've got a mini roundabout, a small roundabout, a medium roundabout and a large roundabout. And we're going to be going straight ahead at all of those roundabouts. So let's go for a drive and let's see how it's done. Right, so a bit of a damp old day, but we're going to move off now and begin our route. Coming up to the end of this road, we're going to turn left, and then along that road we'll come across our 4 roundabouts that we're going to be practicing. So for turning left, checking centre mirror left signal down. As I approach the end, I'm just going to pop it in the first gear because it's a little bit blind at this turn, difficult to see. And we're good to go. So the first roundabout we're going to come to is the mini roundabout, and I'll just give you a little bit of an idea of what we'll do when we get there. So it's a straight ahead at the mini roundabout. So no signal on the approach, and because it's such a small roundabout, it's not necessary to signal left when we're leaving it either. The driving essential skill books tells us that mini roundabouts there's often insufficient time to signal left when leaving. The other thing about if we did signal left on this one, it would probably be confusing because there is a left turn just after the roundabout. So I'm coming into the roundabout, I've checked my mirrors, no signal needed, gently braking to reduce speed. The gear I'm using is gear 2. That might go to gear 1 if this white car turns. He hasn't turned, so I'm going to go across in gear 2. No signal needed as I exit the roundabout, because that would have caused confusion with that road on the left. You can see that driver's coming out slightly. So that's the mini roundabout. The next one we're going to come to is the small roundabout, and there is enough time to signal left as I leave this one. It's a straight ahead, but it only has 1 lane, so we don't have to choose between left lane and right lane. And on these small roundabouts, when we're going straight ahead, we can do what we call straight line them. So we can take the most convenient route across the roundabout. We don't have to go around the outside of the roundabout like you would do on a 2-lane roundabout. So we'll be there in just a few seconds. You can see the roundabout sign. There's a car parked on that side, which may mean drivers coming onto our side of the road. So here we come up to the roundabout. So first thing we always do is check mirrors. No signal needed as we approach. Gently braking and gear down to 2. Notice there are no lanes, so I'm just going to take the straightest route across this roundabout. Not necessary to go around the outside. And I'll pop a left signal down for coming off. Next roundabout is our medium roundabout. This one does have 2 lanes, so I need to use the left lane for straight ahead. So start with mirrors, no signal needed on the approach. Heading into the left-hand lane, and I'm aware of cars behind me, whether they're going into the left lane or right lane. There's a car coming on my right side. So I'm going to make sure I keep properly on the left lane on this roundabout, popping a left signal on as we come off. And this one I'll have to turn the signal off myself because at the bend in the road the signal doesn't automatically cancel. Coming up the bridge to the last of the 4 roundabouts. This is much bigger in size, usually not that busy. And I'm going to be going straight ahead. Now straight ahead on this roundabout is actually the 3rd exit, because there are 2 left exits first of all. And as I approach, so I'm checking mirrors now, no signal needed. It's downhill, so I'm braking a little bit more than usual and gear down to 2. In general, gear 2 is the one we use for roundabouts. If we end up stopping, then we'll have to go gear 1. It looks like I am going to stop, so gone into first gear now. Now, as I drive onto the roundabout, I'm making sure that I keep round the left side on the left lane. There are no road markings when we first go onto the roundabout, but now there are. And I've passed the 2nd exit here, so centre mirror, left mirror, and a left signal to come off the roundabout. And that's our 4 roundabouts done. So thanks for watching. Please give us a like and share if you enjoyed the videos, and subscribe for more. If you've any questions, please let us know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video.